Students, today we are going to study phosphorus cycle. Question 1. What is the phosphorus cycle? Answer. The phosphorus cycle is the biogeochemical cycle that describes the movement of phosphorus through the Earth's lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Question 2. What role does phosphorus play in living organisms? Answer. Phosphorus is essential for various biological processes including DNA and RNA synthesis, energy transfer through ATP, and cell membrane structure. Question 3. Where is phosphorus primarily found in the environment? Answer. Phosphorus is primarily found in rocks and minerals in the earth crust as well as in soil and sediment. Question 4. How does phosphorus enter the biotic environment? Answer. Phosphorus enters the biotic environment through weathering of rocks which release phosphorus into soil and water. Question 5. Explain the process of phosphorus uptake by plants. Answer. Plants absorb phosphorus from the soil in the form of phosphatins through their roots. Question 6. What happens to phosphorus in the soil after it's absorbed by plants? Answer. Phosphorus becomes part of the plant biomass. When plants die and decompose, phosphorus is released back into the soil. Question 7. How does phosphorus move through the food chain? Answer. Animals obtain phosphorus by consuming plants or other animals that have consumed plants, incorporating it into their tissues. Question 8. What happens to phosphorus in aquatic ecosystem? Answer. In aquatic ecosystem, phosphorus can accumulate in sediments and be recycled through sedimentation and erosion process. Question 9. Explain the role of bacteria in the phosphorus cycle. Answer. Bacteria play a crucial role in the phosphorus cycle by mineralizing organic phosphorus into inorganic forms that plants can use. Question 10. What is eutrophication and how does phosphorus contribute to it? Answer. Eutrophication is the process of nutrient enrichment in aquatic ecosystem, often caused by excessive phosphorus runoff from human activities like agriculture and sewage discharge. Question 11. How does human activity impact the phosphorus cycle? Answer. Human activities such as agriculture, industrial runoff, and the use of phosphorus containing fertilizers can disrupt the natural phosphorus cycle, leading to environmental problems like eutrophication. Question 12. What are some natural sources of phosphorus in the environment? Answer. Natural sources of phosphorus include weathering of rocks, volcanic activity, and organic matter decomposition. Question 13. How does phosphorus return to lithosphere? Answer. Phosphorus returns to the lithosphere through geological processes such as sedimentation and uplift, which can eventually form new rocks. Question 14. What are some consequences of phosphorus deficiency in plants? Answer. Phosphorus deficiency can lead to stunted growth, poor root development, and reduced flowering and fruiting in plants. Question 15. How long does it take for phosphorus to cycle through the environment? Answer. The phosphorus cycle operates on a geological timescale with some phosphorus remaining in rocks and sediments for millions of years before being released again. Question 16. What are some strategies to mitigate phosphorus pollution? Answer. Strategies include reducing fertilizer runoff from agriculture, implementing better wastewater treatment system, and promoting sustainable phosphorus use in farming practices. Question 17. Can phosphorus be recycled from wastewater? Answer. Yes, phosphorus can be recovered from wastewater through processes like biological nutrient removal and chemical precipitation. Question 18. How does climate change affect the phosphorus cycle? Answer. Climate change can alter precipitation patterns, soil moisture levels, and temperature, affecting the availability and mobility of phosphorus in the environment. Question 19. What are some alternative sources of phosphorus for agriculture? Answer. Alternative sources include phosphorus recycling technologies, organic fertilizers, and biochar. Question 20. What are the global implications of phosphorus depletion? Answer. Phosphorus depletion could potentially limit agricultural productivity, exacerbate food insecurity, and increase geopolitical tensions over phosphorus resources.